Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist Sizzla Kalonji releases another album titled Victorious. The album is a collaboration between Grammy-nominated producer Richard Breadback Bramwell and Kalonji Music and only features the solid as a rock artist. The 16-track project features songs like It's Dangerous, Hard to Survive, Blaze It Now, What Are Friends For, among others. The artist now has close to 100 released albums. The organizers of the Sterling Awards has issued a statement to clarify some of the misconceptions cited in various reports as to why Wayne Marshall's hit track Glory to God was not nominated at the Gospel Awards that took place over the weekend. The statement says that in order to be considered for a Sterling nomination, artists must be practicing Christians. They also noted that this is in no way an attack on Wayne Marshall, his spiritual journey, his love for or relationship with God, and his omission is not to downplay or discount the impact of the song. Marshall, in an Instagram post, responded by questioning why only practicing Christians can love God or sing powerful gospel songs. The Gospel Awards took place on Saturday night and saw some big wins, which includes Rondell Positive being awarded the Male Artist of the Year and Christopher Gale and Dwight Mighty winning for Hit of the Year. The awards ceremony also honored Tommy Cowan for his outstanding contribution to the genre. The Sterling Awards highlights the work of those specifically in the gospel music industry. Now, the RGR Gleaner cross-country invasion made its final stop on the weekend. The roadshow invaded Montego Bay for its final hurrah. Continuing the usual excitement, the roadshow made stops in Trelawney and Hanover before climaxing at the Family Fun Day held at the Montego Bay Community College. The roadshow saw performances from Nesbeth, D'Angel, Latin, Alex A. Game, and up-and-coming new TJ, B-Zai, among others.
Hey, you know me, G-Chargy. The birds are going crazy for me.
Alex A. Game going harder on his motivational song, while Nesbeth delivered his success story.
Enough, and even though me done been through enough, I know I got to go harder. Must be a yes, we got to go harder. Oh Lord, some days me feel like we can't bother pick it up. Oh God, me feel like give it up. Yes, I got to go harder. This are for those who persevere and who see through the tears. And in the grand scheme of everything, them still there. And I don't mean no million years. Be like a who up on TV, who don't sing loud, me don't hear no man. And sing now
Now, the RGR Gleaner Communications Group cross-country invasion truly unleashed the power of 12 across the island. See you next year. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.